Alright guys, so checking in with you here. It's about 5:30 and you can see all the snow we have. Probably have at least 8 to 10 inches of snow. Have some wind too. Check out this next view. Alright, it's pretty nuts out here. It's just a pure whiteout. Look at my neighbor's house has disappeared. You can see the solar panels. You can probably see the telephone pole in the background, and then my neighbor's house is no longer in view. Of course, it's still there. It's just that with the whiteout and the blizzard here, it's not viewable. All right, guys. So there we go. Thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated here.